What's up, YouTube? I'm going to be doing a bike check today over my Marraco X's. Alright, so let's start up here at the front. I got my Odyssey Aaron Ross signature grips, E-clap brake lever, Odyssey liner slick cable, and front rim is a stolen revolver with a digital tire, 20.195 I think it is, and a shadow little one peg. And moving to my sprocket and stuff, I got a mechanic half-link chain. Everybody's saying these chains aren't that good, but I just got it today, so I don't really know. And I got a Sputnik sprocket, Colt forks, and I have Odyssey twisted PC pedals. I'm getting new ones. I'm getting stolen Thermalite pedals. And moving to the back, have a stolen revolver back rim too, and Odyssey brake pads, Odyssey brakes, and my seat post is a stolen Thermalite seat post. My seat clamp is integrated. I have a Poverty pivotal seat, and my bar ends are also Odyssey. I'm gonna put my ODIs back in there. But yeah, if you like my bikes, rate, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Bye.